Ay,
Cha-cha-cha!
love, I'm so happy because it's your birthday today.
Ako birthday karon.
Yes, how are you feeling right now? Are you happy?
I'm sick.
You're sick? Oh, you have ubo and sipon. It's okay, mawala naman na.
Oh, mawala na.
Ana man jud na ang kid. Bam no. Today is July 9, 2026 and we're listening to music. We're listening to Pipong and Mama's favorite songs on TV, di ba pong?
Yes.
Ito man anong i-watch ka nga song pong.
Honey pie!
Honey Pie, o favorite na mo na ni song, na song ang Honey Pie o Lover Boy. Pong ba?
Yeah.
Sample gani.
Habot ako manghod.
Kill the light, 1, 2, ready, go.
Kill the light,
So
and
baby,
baby,
close your eyes. The way you're
Mm.
looking at me, you got me mesmerized.
Endless skies, restless skies.
Mm.
You having,
I'ma throw my heart away.
Ever be the same.
Api kay kulab kay 5 na ka. Makatok na tatag ni mama. Ba? Lab no? Favorite thing to do nato sa ato gani lab ni mama og ni pong mag-listen og mag-listen ta og
Relax.
ali sa music. Ali sa kabalo ka na ang song ni mama kana.
Yeah.
Tan
Ten,
tan ta 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 tan ta 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 tan ta ta tan ta 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 ta. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Isa big boy na.
Hi everyone.
What is your happiest moment, love? Sa earth, love?
Ikaw
What is your happiest moment here on earth?
I love to cook with my mama.
Oh, you love to cook with your mama? Ano sa ito i-cook?
Egg and hot dog.
Hotdog and?
Egg.
Sometimes naman sa mag-hotdog. Di man all the time ba?
Yeah, only egg. Only all the time.
Dili all the time
Pancit Canton.
Oh, very good. Dili all the time. Ano sa pa ang dili all the time?
Junk food.
Very good. What else pa? Nahalab. 1, 2, ready, go. So can I call you tonight?
I wanna think in my mind.
That's
how I feel.
Can you tell me just
feel.
I hear your voice on the phone.
I feel.
Ay kani atong favorite song isa.
Unsa I watch the movie.
Okay. Unsa gani? What makes you upset gani lap? When? Asa ka ma-upset?
When nawala si mama.
Asa day si mama?
Nasa kuyahan.
Nasa eskwelahan? Huy, naman po good ko sa eskwelahan. Asa pa si mama di ay? Nagpaingon.
Cagayan.
Kaya isa lagi ito kagibilin. O ay. Ubanda ka all the time. Big boy naman good ikaw. Magdindin pa ka, dili na. Huy,
Di na.
di na uy.
Kay ulaw karon
Ulaw
ko,
na magdindin pag big boy na. Nga naman dahil love.
Kay maulaw ko kay sa ni bata.
Sa mga bata, Bob. Because if 5 years old na, dili na magdindin man, no?
Oh.
Ito, 3 years old naman ka nagdindin last time. Di ba lang?